house because it's a little bit of a mess. It's not terrible, but it's a little bit of a mess. So I will show you guys kind of how I quickly pick up the end of every day, because I do this the end of every day. I just pick up. That way I wake up to a clean, picked up house in the morning. This is my nighttime routine. I am picking up, this is what I do every night, and it works for me. I pick up all of the toys and everything and just get my family room in order. I fold the blankets, and this ensures that in the morning when I wake up and I come downstairs, I am just automatically in a good mood because my house is like picked up. So I take like 10 minutes quickly every night and do this. And then I just wipe down the countertops, our kitchen table. I just wipe all of the surfaces down. Did I mention it's almost 8 o'clock? It's raining out. It's almost 8 o'clock. I am exhausted. But this is so worth it, I promise. Sometimes I will sweep or vacuum. I'm not going to, I will do that tomorrow, but earlier after dinner I started our dishwasher, so then I just keep it open so that the dishes can dry, so it just hangs out open all night. That way in the morning I can come down here, put the dishes away. So let's go ahead upstairs and pick up the upstairs, and then we'll continue on with my nighttime routine. So now I just went ahead and I picked up just our room right now. And usually I pick up my youngest daughter's, but hers was picked up from the day before, so I'm exhausted. But anyways, I didn't have to pick up her room, and then my oldest daughter hasn't been here in 2 days. She'll be here tomorrow, so her room is fine. So didn't really have to do a lot today. And like I said in my last video, my husband is out of town for a few weeks, and so the house just isn't as messy as it usually is, which I love because it's just less that I have to do. But like I said, I like to just quickly do a quick, you know, 5-10 minute pickup, cleanup up downstairs, and then I come up here and do the same thing. That way it just puts me in an immediate good mood in the morning, especially like when I wake up. I'm like, oh, my clothes are put away, like everything is put away, there's not crap everywhere. When I go downstairs to make my coffee, like the only thing that I need to do is put my dishes away and obviously like get my daughters ready, but as far as like that. And I'm telling you, if you guys are not doing like a quick pickup at night, start doing it. Just like give it a shot for a week. It makes such a difference in your like mental health and your mood, I swear to God. So anyways, it's like my favorite part of the day. I love when, so right now it's 8 o'clock, and my youngest goes to bed around like 6:45, 7 o'clock, and then my oldest goes to bed around between 8 and 8:30, but she's not here because I only have her half the time. She's not here tonight, and like I said, my husband's out of town, so yeah, so I figured I better film this like while I have the time and opportunity. So I'll show you the rest of my nighttime routine. Basically, I get ready for bed, and then I do my skincare, I take a shower, do my red light skincare, and then I scroll on my phone for a couple of hours, or sometimes I read. Right now I'm reading, well, I'm always in the midst of reading like 5 books, but I just got this new book. It's called Psycho-Cybernetics. I like just started it, so I will probably read that a little bit tonight as well. So let's go ahead and jump in the shower, and then we'll do our skincare.